Honorable panel speaker, sir. Sir, I take the opportunity to participate in the general discussion on the state budget for the year 2025-2026, sir. Sir, I compliment the Deputy Chief Minister, Saab Janab Bhatti Vikrama Saab, for presenting the third budget of the Congress government, including vote on account budget in the state, sir. So this is historic budget as the projected expenditure of rupees 3,04,965 crores crosses the 3 lakh crore mark for the first time in the state of Telangana, sir. Sir, it is also a historic budget with the projected fiscal deficit, I would say, of rupees 54,010 crore, which is poised at to set an all-time record, sir. Sir, it is historic too, as the state public debt is projected to cross rupees 5 lakh crore mark and end up at rupees 5 lakh 4,814 crores at the close of 2025-26 financial year, sir, or 2025 and 25-26 financial year, sir. Sir, refreshingly this time the Finance Minister Saab's marathon budget speech is on a positive note, and it does not talk about the act of omission and commission of the earlier BRS government that ruled the state for almost a decade. However, a glaring omission in the 72-page Telugu speech, it was read out in 108 minutes of the Finance Minister Saab, is the absence of any critical reference to the central government on record, sir. Though the Chief Minister Saab and other ministers have been frequently highlighting the injustice done to the Telangana, more so in the last 15 months of the Congress government. अब जैसे अभी हम देख रहे थे हमारे बीजेपी के साथी असेंबली के इतना ज्यादा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे, बोल रहे थे, लेकिन जब हम भट्टी साहब की स्पीच को देखते हैं सर, तो उसमें एक लफ्ज भी उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के नाइंसाफी, इनजस्टिस और जो हमारा तेलंगाना का हक है उसको जो नहीं दे रहे हैं उसके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं बोले. So, I'll tell you, I'll give the details. So before I go into the specifics of the budget for the 25-26, sir, I would like to speak on a few related issues, sir. The first, sir, is that it has been, sir, I was elected first in 1999, sir. In my 26 years of member of this house, firstly in United Andhra Pradesh and then in Telangana state, I have seen as many as 26 annual budgets apart from several vote on account budget being presented by successive finance minister under the TDP, Congress, TRS, BRS, Congress regime, sir. Sir, when I came to the house, it was then the TDP government led by Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. Thereafter, it was the Congress government under the Chief Minister's ship of Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, Janab Roshaya Saab and Mr. N. Kiran Kumar Reddy, followed by a brief spell of President rule in 2014 in United AP, sir. Sir, after the formation of Telangana state in June 2014, it was a TRS-BRS government led by Janab KCR Saab for almost 10 years, and now the Congress government under Revanth Reddy Saab. All the successive government, the chief ministers, all the successive government, the chief ministers, the finance ministers, and the opposition leaders, and also all the floor leaders made a sincere effort to ensure that all round whenever the state and the welfare of the section of the people, sir. So the reason why I am mentioning that all the successive governments, all the then chief ministers, the finance ministers, the leader of opposition, the reason is that, sir, the state has grown. State has grown and there has been an effort and it has been a hard work of all the political parties, all the governments, all the chief ministers, and all the good criticism of the then opposition leaders also has been the reason for the growth of the state, sir. So now I stand here, yes, sir, as being a part of opposition, I think it is my democratic right and everybody's democratic right, and I should be criticizing the wrongdoings and the doings which are not in the favor of the state and the people of the state, sir. So that is what I have been doing, the other political parties have been doing, sir. Sir, the successive finance ministers who presented the state budget, including Mr. Yanavala Ramakrishna sir, when I was first elected, sir, Mr. Ramakrishna Sahab was there as a finance minister when the TDP was ruling, sir. Then Roshaya Sahab, sir, he has a record of presenting the budget, sir. Roshaya Sahab, he has the longest record, sir. And then Anam Narayan Reddy during Congress regime in United AP. And then again Itala Rajendra Sahab and Janab Harish Rao Sahab during the TRS-BRS rule after the formation of Telangana state. So when I first got elected to this house in 1999, sir, the state budget of AP was, sir, for the year 2000 and 2001 presented in March 2000 has projected total expenditure, of 32,667, sir. So now we can imagine, sir, कि जब 32,667 करोड़ का बजट था और आज हम 3 लाख करोड़ के बजट को क्रॉस कर दिए सिर्फ तेलंगाना स्टेट में, सर. सर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट आंध्र प्रदेश, सर. देन अगर आज हम आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना को ले लेते हैं, सर, इट इज क्रॉसिंग 6 लाख करोड़. 6 लाख करोड़, सर. So now, I mean, it is, we stand here, we criticize and we say, but at the same time, sir, if today Telangana state budget has crossed 3 lakh crore and Andhra Pradesh again 3 and 6 crores, I think it is, at least I feel like, it is my moral responsibility to remember all the leaders who have served the state, sir. All the leaders, sir. Let be anybody, sir, because they have served the state, they have been part of the growth of the state, and the decisions have brought the state to this level where I would say, we proudly say, 3 lakh crore is our budget, sir. और 6 लाख करोड़ है. तो हर किसी ने काम किया, चाहे चन्ना रेड्डी साहब हो, ब्रह्मानंद रेड्डी साहब हो, संजीवैया साहब हो, या फिर एनटी रामाराव साहब हो, या फिर उसके बाद में विजय भास्कर रेड्डी साहब हो, जनार्दन रेड्डी साहब हो, या फिर उसके बाद वायएस राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब हो, एनटीआर हो, या चंद्रबाबू नायडू हो, वायएस राजशेखर रेड्डी हो, या तेलंगाना बनने के बाद में केसीआर साहब हो, और आज रेवंत रेड्डी साहब या कांग्रेस हुकूमत हो. हर किसी ने काम किया और उस दौर के सारे लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ने भी काम किया, सारे फ्लोर लीडर्स ने भी काम किया. सो आई रिमेंबर, आई वुड लाइक टू रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ देम.